we are going to be making a profit of 294,000 naira in a day. In a day, guys, 294,000 naira. Guys, I'm about to show you one of the best dollar arbitrage opportunity that you can ever think of if you stay tuned. Hi there, it's Leo here again. I create content on online business and how to make money online and offline. So if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. Please smash that subscription button. And after smashing the subscription button, don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome video just like this one you're watching. And to you, my returning subscriber, welcome back. I appreciate you always coming back to my channel each time you get notified of a new video. I don't take you for granted. You're welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best dollar arbitrage opportunity that can make you a very good profit ranging from 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira daily if you are going to follow what I'm about to show you step by step. In case you don't know what dollar arbitrage is, dollar arbitrage simply means buying dollars very cheap from a particular platform and then sending it over to another platform to sell for a very good amount in order to make profit. But let's take it this way for a better understanding. Let's say you bought dollar from a particular market called Area market at the rate of 400 naira and you sold it to another market called Alaba market at the rate of 700 naira. The difference in price is the profit, which is 300 naira, and that is dollar arbitrage. For this time around, you won't be going to any Area market or Alaba market to buy this dollar. Rather, you are going to buy and sell this dollar online using this platform that I'm going to tell you. If only you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'm joking, but then like this video and subscribe to our channel and I'll surely appreciate. Thank you. Now, the first thing you need to do in order to get started with this dollar arbitrage is to get yourself registered with this platform. I'm going to tell you the name of this platform at the end of this video, so stay tuned. But before we go into this video, I want you to use 3 seconds of your time to smash the like button of this video in appreciation. And if you are still yet to subscribe to our channel, go ahead, smash the subscription button of this channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we drop a good video just like this one you are watching. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video. Alright guys, the first thing I have to show you is the registration process of this platform. That's the first thing I'm to show you. Then the second thing I'm going to show you is the rate which this platform sells dollar. That's the second thing. Then the third thing is how you can be able to make a lot of money using this platform to engage in dollar arbitrage. So you have to click over here that says sign in order to sign up. All right, so once you click over there, it is going to take you over to this place for you to type in your phone number. All right, for you to type in your phone number right inside here. And then the reason why you are seeing this is because I'm in Nigeria, so that's why you're seeing that zip code over here. So if you are in Canada, USA, Ghana, or Uganda, Zimbabwe, whichever country you are automatically going to see your zip code right there. All right, so once you are done typing in your phone number, you are going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will bring you over to this place, and the platform is going to send a verification code to you in order to verify the number you typed earlier. All right, so once you receive the verification code, it doesn't take time, like in some seconds you're going to get. So once you type in the verification code and click on continue, it will take you over to this place for you to type or create a transaction code. All right, 4-digit passcode. So you have to choose a 4-digit passcode that you are going to use in any transaction you'll be doing using this platform. So you type in a transaction code that you will remember. All right, so you're going to type in the transaction. It could be 1 2 3 4, it could be 5 into 4, it could be 0 into 4. So you know the one you're going to remember. All right, so once you're done typing in the passcode, it will take you over here for you to retype the passcode again. All right, it will bring you over here for you to re-enter the passcode. So once you retyped the passcode, it will bring you over to this place for you to type in your name. All right, so guys, you have to make sure you type in your legal name. I know why I'm saying this, in order to avoid story that touches the heart. So you have to type in your legal name, your first name, type in your last name, your email address, then your date of birth. All right, so once you are done, you click on continue, and then it will bring you over to the home page where you are to link card. All right, so I'm done with the registration, so I will just quickly log into my account to proceed showing you the rate which they sell dollar and then how much you are going to be making using this platform to engage in Dollar Arbitrage. All right, so let me log into my account. So this is my account, and as you can see, I've linked so many cards to this platform. As you can see, I've linked Visa card, MasterCard, Visa card. Now, this platform deals with card-to-card transaction. So when you are registering to this platform, don't have it in mind that they are going to give you a bank account or bank details. All right. So they deal with card-to-card transaction. So you have to link your card to start with. So in order to link your card, you have to click over here. All right, this sign of card in order to link your card. So once you click over there, you have to click here at the plus sign in order to link your card. So once you click on the plus sign, it will bring you over to this place, so you can type in your card number, the month, CVV, choose currency. So the currency you are going to choose depends on the country you are into. All right, so I'm in Nigeria, so I have to choose um my country currency, which is NGN. All right, so once you are done choosing all those things, type in your card details, and then you have to click on continue. All right, so once you click on continue, your card will be linked to this platform. So once you're done with the linking, you have to go back. All right, you have to go back. Now, I discovered something. You cannot send money using Visa card. You can only send money using MasterCard. The only thing you can use Visa card to do is to receive money, but sending money, you only need MasterCard in order to send money. All right, so make sure you link or you have a MasterCard. Now, for this arbitrage to be very profitable, you will be needing someone from UK or from USA. All right, and I'm going to show you the reason why you'll be needing someone from US or someone from UK for this arbitrage to be profitable. All right, so you are done with the linking of card. The next thing you have to do is to click over here in order to send money to this person in US. So this person in US or UK must be registered with this platform. So the person have to register with this platform. So once the person is done registering with this platform, so it means the person have already linked his or her card to this platform. All right, so you have to click over here to send money to this person in US or UK. All right, so once you click over here, it is going to bring out the card that you are going to use in sending money to this person. So the reason why you are seeing my MasterCard over here is because MasterCard is the only card you are going to use in sending money. Visa card does not send money. Currently, MasterCard is what you can use in order to send money. Visa card is only used in receiving money. Currently, unless as it proceeds, they are going to make Visa to be sending money. But currently, you can only use MasterCard to send money. All right, so that's why you're seeing my MasterCard over here. So you have to click over here in order to select a recipient. All right, you have to click over there to select a recipient. So let's click over here. Now, the person in US or UK must have registered with this platform. So you have to click here that said order in order to send this money to this person. So once you click over, you have to type in the person's name. All right, that's the requirement. Is either you type the person's name or the person's card or the phone number the person used in registering with this platform. But if the person does not have strength of going through the registration of this platform, or the person can trust you in order to give you his or her bank details or his or her card details, then good and fine. Just get the person's card details. All right. So once you get the person's card details, then you proceed linking the person's card to this platform. All right, so let's say you are done linking the person's card to this platform. So once you click on the recipient, the cards you've linked, including the person's card, you are going to see it listed here. So let's say the person's card is the first one over here. So let's click on the first one. Then the next thing you are going to do is to choose the currency in which you will be sending from. All right, so let's change this over here to NGN. That's Nigeria, because I'll be sending NGN. All right, so let's change it to Nigeria, and then you're going to change the second one to the currency the recipient will be receiving this money you'll be sending to. All right, so you have to click here. So this person is going to be receiving it in US. This person stays in USA, so the person is obviously going to be receiving this money in USD. All right, now we've changed the currencies, so the next thing we'll have to do is to type in the amount you want to send to this person. So let's say you have to send the sum of 500,000 naira to this person staying in US. All right, so let's see how much this person is going to receive. Now this person is going to receive the sum of $1,081.46. That is how much this person is going to receive. Now, this platform is going to take their charge. As you can see, this is their charge. So they are going to take their charge, which is $43.89. That is their charge. So after taking their charge, the recipient is going to receive the sum of 1,081.46 USD. Now, when the person receives this money, the money is not going to appear in this platform. The person is going to receive this money right into his or her local bank account. That is where this person is going to receive this money. All right. So you've seen the amount this person is going to receive. We are sending the sum of 500,000 naira, and the person is going to receive $1,081.46. All right. So let me proceed to show you the rate which this platform is selling dollar. All right, so remember the money the recipient is going to receive is 1,000. Let's say is $1,081. So let me use my calculator so you see the rate which this platform is selling their dollar. All right, so the amount we are sending is 500,000 naira. All right, then you divide it to the amount the person is going to be receiving, which is 1,081. Let's say it's 1,081 USD. So as you can see over here, the rate which this platform is selling their dollar is 462 per dollar. 462 naira per dollar. So you can see it is very, very cheap. All right, so this is the way they're selling their dollar. Now let's proceed to the how you are going to make profit using this platform. All right, so once you are done typing in the amount you'll be sending and you've seen the amount the recipient is going to receive, which is 1,081.46 dollar, you have to click on continue over here. All right, in order to proceed. So once you click on continue, it is going to bring out your card that you'll be sending the money from. All right, and it's going to show you the recipient's card. This is the card you are going to be sending the money from, and this is the recipient's card. All right, so this is the capital, this is the amount the recipient is going to receive, this is the charge. All right, so this is the exchange rate of the platform. Now the next thing you have to do is to click over here in order to type in the CVV of this card right inside this box. All right, so you click there to type in your CV. So after typing in your CVV, you have to click on send. All right, so once you click here that says send, your bank is going to send OTP to you to confirm that you are actually the person engaging in this transaction. All right, so once your bank sends in the OTP, you are going to type it into the box that it will provide for you in order to debit this sum of 500,000 naira from your account and send it to this recipient. Now you've sent this money to this recipient, and this recipient has received it in his or her local bank account. The next thing you are going to do is this: you are going to ask the recipient to send the money back to you using your dollar account. So for some of you that does not have dollar account, there is this second platform I'm going to be mentioning. So you need to get registered with this second platform. So the second platform is Grey. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video so you get yourself registered with this second platform. So once you are done registering with Grey, Grey is going to give you dollar bank details, euro bank details, and GBP bank details. That's pounds. All right, so we are going to send the dollar account details that Grey gave you to this recipient. So this is the account details this recipient will be sending this money to. All right, so once the person sends this money to your dollar account details in Grey, you are going to receive this money in your Grey account, this 1,081 USD in your Grey account. So let me quickly log into my Grey account to show you how much you are going to be making if this recipient sends this $1,081 to you, so how much you are going to be making. So we are going to know if we are making gain or you are making loss. So let's proceed. So I've logged into my Grey account. So let's type in the amount which the recipient will be sending to you, which is 1,081 USD. All right. So let's say it's 1,081 USD. All right. So once the recipient sends the money, you will be seeing it here. All right. So let's swap the 1,081 USD to naira and see if we are going to make profit or we're going to make loss. So let's type in the amount here, 1,081 USD. So guys, as you can see, what we are going to be getting is this 794,421 naira. That is how much we are going to be getting. 794,425 naira. So let's minus our capital from this amount we are going to from this amount that we received, and see the gain or the profit that we've made using this doing this dollar arbitrage. So let me quickly use my calculator. So remember what we're going to receive, 700, and let's say it's 794,000 naira. All right, so let me go to my calculator. So 794,000 naira, so you're going to minus 500,000 naira, your capital, from it. All right, so we are going to be making a profit of 294,000 naira in a day. In a day, guys, 294,000 naira. Guys, this is highly profitable. Too many people don't know about this arbitrage right now. All right, so you just have to jump into this and make a lot of money for yourself. All right, 294,000 naira just in a day. Just in a day, guys. I recommend you jump into this and make profit for yourself. All right, so guys, this is all I have for you in today's video. So use the link in the description to get registered with this platform. The name of this platform is Fin.do. All right, but I'll be leaving link in the description so you don't make mistake in registering to a fake platform. All right, so the second platform, which is Grey, I'm still going to leave the link of the second platform in the description of this video. So get yourself registered, go into this arbitrage and make money for yourself, guys. If you love this video, go ahead. I know you like it. Give it a thumbs up. All right. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, go ahead, click the subscription button, and I will surely appreciate. And it's going to motivate me in making more good content just like this one you watched. Thank you, guys. Thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate it. In order to get more of this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. All right, smash the subscription button of this channel, and after smashing the subscription button of this channel, please don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we drop awesome video just like this one you watch. Until next time, I see you again, comrade. Bye.